is legal, right?
This is the entrance to the courthouse right here. Did you want to air anything out?
I just have no idea what I'm doing.
A frauditor?
Yeah.
Are you part of the fraudience?
These people just come to harass
Uh-oh, we got a Karen with a little wheelie thing.
Like I care about you. Oh, you're Gabriel Rojas.
Hey,
you're
that's
the
me.
guy who pepper sprayed somebody.
Yeah, that's me.
Yeah.
And you're a Karen.
You got 45
I'm Gabriel
days in
Rojas.
jail.
That's me. 45 days. 45 days. Good luck there, Karen.
And these people, they go to public places, just harass people using.
Oh, is that what I'm doing? Just harassing people?
Yep.
Gotcha. I feel sorry for you. There's definitely Karen mentality there. No, I feel you. I feel you. But I like exposing the behavior like this too. It's like people need to see, you know? People need to see. Oh, jeez.
Yeah, don't waste your time on me.
Don't waste your time on me. She's gonna make the cut for sure. There's gonna be a video about you. I'll upload it later on. It's that kind of mentality that needs to be exposed. It doesn't bother me at all. She could call me names all she wants. But she's saying I'm here to harass people. That's not what I'm doing here. I'm not here harassing people. I have a camera. I'm documenting the courthouse. All I'm doing.
So it doesn't matter which line you go?
I don't think so. Dang, she was gross. All good, all good. Discuss your case if you feel like it. Nothing personal, no personal information. I was put through the system too, and they got me. As that Karen in there will tell you.